6:43 this morning, an update on the tropics. We still have Lorenzo, which Saturday night hit Category 5 status, and it actually became the strongest hurricane ever this far north and east in the Atlantic. Usually you see those Category 5 hurricanes far to the south where the waters are typically warmer, but because the Atlantic waters are above normal, we actually saw it reach Category 5 status. Now, it is even farther north now, so it is getting into cooler water and starting to lose strength, but probably going to be impacting the Azores, these little islands up here, with hurricane conditions. We still think it's going to be at hurricane strength as it passes very close to or perhaps right over those islands. Then there's Tropical Depression Narda. That's it right there. And because it's still over open water, we think it could come back as a tropical storm. And it somewhat is tied to our weather here. There's certainly going to be a lot more rain on the west coast of Mexico near the center of the storm. But some of that moisture spreading all the way across Mexico and getting into South Texas. And for today and tomorrow, slightly enhancing the sea breeze a little bit. A little bit more activity we would see if it was just a normal sea breeze. Still not a washout of a day, though. I do want to stress that. I do think there'll be a little bit of activity this morning. The best chance for seeing rain, probably noon, 1, 2 o'clock, the early afternoon hours. Notice the gaps. Not everybody's going to see rain today, but the possibility is there. So carry the umbrella just to be safe. I still think a little bit more activity in Cameron-Williston County and then the Upper Valley. Late afternoon, probably not as much going on as the early afternoon hours, but the chance of rain will continue into the evening, overnight hours. For tonight, I think the better chance of rain is probably late tonight and closer to the coast. Some new activity will fire up in the Gulf and try and stream inland, but not as much activity as we're going to see during the afternoon. That's the case for tomorrow morning. There could be a few showers or a stray storm around tomorrow morning as well. The better chance of rain, though, is going to be the afternoon. The rain chance looks about the same tomorrow as today. And then by the time we get to late afternoon, early evening, not as much going on. So very similar stories both today and tomorrow. For Cameron-Williston County today, a 40% chance of seeing showers and storms. You will continue to see the better opportunity to see rain, and probably a little bit better chance, if you want to get technical, in eastern Cameron-Williston County versus western Cameron-Williston County. The farther west you live, the smaller that chance of rain. About a 30% chance McAllen, Edinburgh, Wesco, Mercedes, San Ysidro, and central and western Starr County. You do have a chance. I do think some rain will make it out there today, but not as much. Only a 20% chance of seeing a shower or storm. 94, still in the mid-90s, still feeling hot. Again, I do think some rain-cooled air will be around, but it's going to be kind of like what we saw last couple days, where it briefly cools things down, but then it just feels really humid afterwards. So does it help? Sort of. It does raise the humidity, unfortunately, if one of those rain showers does move over you. And again, there could be a couple of storms and some good heavy downpours briefly, but not lasting in one place too long. Going to be another breezy day as well. That always helps. Gusts around 25 miles per hour. I think it'll be a little bit cooler tonight, a little bit more mid-70s than upper 70s, 76 for a low, partly to mostly cloudy. The rain chance continues. Isolated showers and storms, not as much as the daytime hours, but still the opportunity for seeing some rain. Winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Rain chances, again, looking about the same for tomorrow. That rain chance map I showed you can repeat it for tomorrow. Again, better chance of rain in the afternoon, better chance near the coast. I think we start to dry out Wednesday, but temporarily, because a new wave of low pressure is going to work over us on Thursday. And I actually think Thursday will be our coolest day and our best chance of rain. But then we start drying out again. Kind of like today for Friday, drier on Saturday, probably completely dry during the day Sunday, but maybe if a cold front gets close enough, maybe a few showers late Sunday night, but it's certainly looking hot right now Sunday. Highs around 95 on your First Warn 5 Active Weather Forecast. We'll be right back after this break.